Love basketball with a passion. And finally, mga kasinag, this is your Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase Day number 1 dito sa napakagandang venue, the home of Sinag Liga Asia World Showcase Delta Cup. As we can see, Kenji, Malyari, and the rest of the NYBL Boss League trying to make a statement dito sa kanilang first game. Mga katapat nila, mga dayo, galing Zamboanga. Ang Zamboanga ESA, led by the man of steel, Randolph Lacchio, the pride of Rojas, Zamboanga del Norte. Representatives ng Mindanao, ready na to battle against the representatives of Luzon. And those are our games today. Zamboanga ESA kontra NYBL Boss League, Pampanga Delta kontra Familia DC, Apalit I Love It kontra Lakas California, and for the main event, it's NYBL Boss League kontra AZ Canada West. Isang magandang umaga po. Mayapagat panapon, good morning, maayong buntag kaninyong tanan sa lahat ng mga kasinag na nakatutok sa Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao at iba't ibang bansa na bumubuo ng Asia at sa buong mundo. Finally, this is the moment you all have been waiting for, the opening of the Junior World Showcase Delta Cup. Kami po ang inyong mga kasama. Ako po si Enzo Galarosa, and together with me is Coach Alvin Tanyada. Coach Alvin, after months of anticipation, we are finally here.
Yes, and good morning nga po sa inyong lahat, mga kasinag. At very excited tayo because ito na po ang inaantay natin. Months of preparation. It has now come to this. Excited na po lahat for our actions to see the young and up-and-coming superstars ng basketball.
We will build stars dito. This is what they're gonna build upon sa mga young careers ng mga bata. And syempre, joining us on the sidelines, walang iba, ang Little Miss Princess natin na si MJ Raimundo. Kamustahin natin siya. MJ, kamusta ka? And ano masasabi mo that finally, it's time for the Junior World Showcase?
Alam nyo, this is it na nga. Ito na ang pinakahinihintay ng lahat. Alam mo, hindi lang tayo buong Ezolay ang excited, but most especially sa ating mga kasinag na nakatutok dito sa atin ngayon. Kaya naman, for our first game, this is gonna be the battle between Zamboanga ESA versus NYBL Boss League. Kaya naman, tumutok lang kayo because later on, I will give you an update and stories on the sideline. But now, balik muna sa inyo, Enzo and Alvin.
Thank you so much, MJ. And sabi nga niya, we will hear more from her, especially sa mga stories na itong players and coaches na dumayo pa dito sa Pampanga. But speaking of more, you can catch all of the games ng ating Junior World Showcase sa ating social media platforms at Sinag Liga Asia on both Facebook and Instagram. Follow us on TikTok and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Sinag Liga TV. Dahil this is a 5-day spectacular, mga kasinag, and we have 4 divisions to showcase po sa inyo ang mga talents ng mga kabataan, not just here in the Philippines, but in the entire world dito. And Coach Alvin, let's see ang ating tournament format dito. This is the 23 and under tournament. Let's see how will we play out itong buong tournament natin sa 23 under.
Yes, oo nga, Enzo. Ito, 4 teams tayo dito sa ating 23 under. So, single round robin. Very easy. Top 2 teams advance to the finals. Now, if in case meron tayong tabla between 2 teams, it's basically win over the other. Pero pag tatlong koponan ang mag-tabla-tabla, then we will have the quotient system or the point differential. Now, the finals, it is a knockout finals match that will happen on Sunday.
Yes, a familiar tournament format for Sinag Liga Asia fans, diba? As we take a look at this game at hand natin between the representatives of Luzon and the representatives of Mindanao, ang Zamboanga ESA kontra the NYBL Boss League sa 23 under. Napakagandang laban nito. Luzon kontra Mindanao as we take a look at etong koponan na dumayo pa all the way from the province of Zamboanga, no, Coach Alvin. Halo-halong talent sa mga iba't ibang cities and municipalities dun sa Zamboanga, etong Zamboanga ESA.
Yes, oo. Alam natin, maraming mga manlalaro ang nanggaling dyan sa Zamboanga na mga iniidolo nila like itong sila Mark Baroka, sila Mike Tolomia, Rudy Linganay. Ngayon, ito naman ang makikita natin, the next batch of superstars galing sa Zamboanga. And you can see there such names like Mark Angelo Galope, andyan si KC Domingo, and lots of players that we will be looking upon in this ball game.
Especially the man of steel, itong si Randolph Lucky, the pride of the municipality of Roas, Zamboanga del Norte. But tingnan naman natin ang kanilang mga kalaban, the representatives dito sa Luzon. Etong NYBL Boss League. Very, very competitive team. And ang dami kang players na familiar dyan na Coach Alvin.
Yes, itong NYBL, syempre, ito ay halo-halo ng mga manlalaro mula sa liga ng NYBL. So this will be somewhat like an all-star squad. And you can see their names such as Kenji Malyari, and then Daniel Torcato, Azzy Hernandez, a lot of players dito na mga naglalaro dyan sa NYBL. So they will be expected to show up para dito sa kanilang liga at makapag-uwi ng corona para dun sa kanilang liga na NYBL.
Yes, and yun nga they're a basketball league dedicated to the youth, just like Sinag Liga Asia. And when they saw this Junior World Showcase concept, hindi sila magpapahuli. Gusto nilang sumama dito. And I know mga kasinag, excited na kayo. Coming up, it's the first game of our Junior World Showcase Delta Cup between Zamboanga ESA and NYBL Boss League. And to introduce our starters for this ball game, let's turn it over to Ram Valid.
Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga, kahit di sabihin. Feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga, kahit di sabihin. Feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Good morning once again, SLA fans, and we're coming to you live inside the amazing Brand Siga Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. Welcome to Zinag Ligasha Junior World Showcase, presented to you by Zinag Ligasha, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, and Royce Hotel and Casino. We're also live at the Zinag Ligasha official FB page and YouTube channel at Zinag Liga TV, powered by Converge. This is our first match for day one of the competition. It's NYBL Boss League and Zamboanga Eza. And now let's meet the starting lineups of the protagonists. First for your NYBL Boss. Starting at point guard number 77, Jerwin Carpio. Shooting guard number 10, Johaber Ampazo. Center number 5, Romer Buhain. Small forward number 23, Ian Ruvalo. And power forward number 15, Dennis Gomez. Head coach for NYBL Boss is Ariel Ized. Assistant coaches, John Santos. Team manager and team owner, Engineer Mariel Ocampo. Your NYBL Boss. And now let's meet the starting lineup of your Zamboanga Eza. Starting at guard number 0, Elgen Pampilo. Also at guard number 16, Calvin Tangilu. At center number 20, Mark Galoper. At forward number 2, Exel Fuentes. Also at forward number 4, Eljan Lakaya. Zamboanga Eza is led by Coach Salvi Realiza, Assistant Coach Ryan Aquino. Team owner and team manager, Mr. Endu Zahar Hambili. Yours, Zamboanga Eza. Game officials charged in action. Dennis Escaros, Jess Boras, John Lisigas, Michael Galutera, and Jong Banayat. This is your Sinag League.
And here are your Sinag starters of the game for Zamboanga Eza. They're starting Pampilo, Lakio, Galope, Lakaya, and Fuentes. Para naman dito sa NYBL Boston, we start with Flores, Carpio, Buhain, Gomez, and Rualo. The opening day game para sa Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase Delta Cup. Enzo Galarosa together with Coach Alvin Tanyada as the first possession nandirito sa panig ng NYBL Boss League.
Yun, ito na, excited na tayong lahat niya. Kanina pa natin pinag-uusapan to.
Yes.
So, ito na yung, again, months of preparation for the teams that will be playing international man o yung mga nandito. Ito na yung pinaghahandaan talaga natin.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes, as... Oo. There's a situation right here with the jersey netong NYBL Boss League na magkaiba yung numbers on the jersey and in the shorts nila, Coach Alvin.
Kasi dalawa talaga, parang 15 nila dito.
Oo.
15 na nasa shorts.
Tapos 15
dito,
yun nasa
15 yung jersey. Yung
jersey.
kabila. So, ito dito natin mapag-uusapan.
Yes.
And so, siguro dahil maliit yung shorts nito, kaya dito binigay.
Oo.
So medyo hindi rin parang maguguluhan din kasi yung mga referees natin dito. And so,
Totoo.
because it could be na siguro mas madali sana kung plain na lang yung naging shorts. No numbers. But let's see how the referees will do this for this one.
Well, according to the referee, Dennis Escaros, okay na daw as a corner three-pointer para dito sa Zamboanga. Esa is a miss but an offensive rebound for them. Another three-point attempt. Again, another offensive rebound galing dito kay Galope. The effort from the big man of Zamboanga Esa.
Yun yung energy na nadadala nito ni Galope dito sa lineup ng Zamboanga. Yung rebounding niya. Kasi titingnan mo yung lineup ng Zamboanga. Mas malaki sila dito sa NYBL. Dito sa starters nila ngayon ha.
Yes.
As they get a basket there on the tip-in.
Yes, itong si Tanhilul. And it's steal by Pampilo. Good start para dito sa Zamboanga Esa.
Kita mo agad yung full court press nila. Naka-press talaga na matindi. Itong Zamboanga. And Enzo, as a first game nila parehas dito sa ating sa ating tournament. So, hindi pa nila na sa scout kung ano yung laro ng kada isa. So, a good start here for Zamboanga can lead to a good, hopefully a good game para sa kanila.
Totoo, especially para dito sa NYBL Boss League na they're the last team na kumbaga replacement team sila dito sa apat na teams na maglalaro ngayon. So, kumbaga hindi talaga nila na-scout. Itong Zamboanga Esa, they've been watching for months yung ating Junior World Showcase Philippines 23 under tournament. So, kumbaga na-scout nila yung second runner-up, yung runner-up, which is the Pampanga Delta, but hindi nila kilala itong NYBL as a first basket of the game para dito kay Ampaso. Lakaya. They swing it. Kelvin attacks and Kelvin puts it up and in.
Ang ganda ng scoop shot na yun nito ni Tangelo. And syempre, dito natin din makikita, will this lineup of NYBL Boss League, kasi again, these are selection players from the league itself. Iba-iba ang koponan na pinanggalingan nito at iba-iba rin yung talento nila. So hindi sila talaga magkakasama all throughout this journey. Not like itong Zamboanga Esa na magkakasama na for a very long time. So we will see, will that be a positive or a negative also for this NYBL Boss League?
As we can see, the lakas grab of the quarter button by Fulitech Philippines Incorporated galing dito kay Romer Buhain. Yun nga lang, airball ang kanyang bonus free throw there. But one thing dito para sa NYBL Boss League, they may be a selection team. They may be the all-stars of the NYBL League. Pero, palaban tong mga to We got a glimpse of that in the opening ng ating Junior World Showcase Philippines 19 under tournament when they played there in one game nila. Unfortunately, they didn't push through with the tournament. Pero, nakita natin palaban yung mga players nila dun. So dito, we will have to see itong 23 under naman nila mga kuya. As look at that pass underneath to Binuya for the layup.
At ang nakalaban niya nila doon, if I can remember it right, is that team na coached by our colleague here, Coach Ernest
Coach Ernest Alao. Yung leap basketball ang kinalaban nila. Here comes Eljon. Lakaya swings it. Tanjilol already with 5 points to his tally. Look at that other offensive rebound para dito sa Zamboanga. Ball is tapped. Look at the effort galing dito sa representatives of Zamboanga. As we can see, Coach Zaldi Realiza right there, the pride, the coach galing din sa municipality of Roas, Zamboanga del Norte. I got a chance to talk to him last night. Sabi niya, this is a totally different team, Enzo. Sabi niya, this is a totally different team, Enzo, than what you covered 2 years ago for a different league. This is a different team. There's 3 players that you're familiar with, but they've already changed their play style. They've grown a lot in those 2 years. And I told Coach Sandy, excited ako to see that.
Yun yung talaga maging excited niya dahil a lot of changes for these players. Siyempre, hindi naman pwede mag-stick sila sa kanilang mga current play style. So, you have to adjust if you want to make it to the big league. So, this will be a big difference here for these players.
That's a good pass underneath. And then, Galope. Hindi naman offensive rebound ang ginawa. Puntos na ang ginawa niya. And a steal right here. Domingo with a steal. And the, miss from the layup there for Casey Domingo. Gomez fires. In and out, and Eljon Lakaya with a rebound. Pampilo tries to go to Lakaya. Turns it over. 9-6 our score. 3 minutes and 52 remaining in this first period as we can see that good entry pass by Pampilo. Papunta dito kay Galope. And another near steal para dito sa Zamboanga, but finally NYBL Bosley gets it across. Gomez tries to go underneath Rualo. Turn over again. Tangilul to Pampilo. They swing it over to Eljan. Lakaya, three-pointer. Off the mark. NYBL only down by 3. Coach Alvin, despite of the many turnovers. No?
Yun, oo. And hindi pa rin naman, maganda yung nagsisimula nitong Zamboanga ESA, but they haven't gotten that rhythm to continue.
Yes.
Yung kanilang magandang simula, maganda nga yung takbuhan nila, nandiyan yung pasaan nila, pero yung mga katulad ng kanina, easy layup,
Yes.
easy na yun eh. Kumbaga, kung si Enzo Villarosa yun, talagang pasok yun.
Di rin kanan eh. As Rualo with the layup on the other end. 1-point lead na lang for Zamboanga ESA. Galope gives it to Eljan. Lakaya, who once scored 27 points in a semifinals game, all 27 coming in the second half. He fires the jumper from the mid-range.
Mukhang nanginig ka. Ganito si Lucaya.
Oo.
Sabi niya, Kuya Enzo, eto,
Kaya ko pa rin.
kaya ko pa rin.
Oo. I remember that. I covered that semifinals game. They were up against the Bukidnon Cowboys and he light up the second half. Scoreless no first half, 27 in the second half. I think he had 17 in the fourth quarter, di ba? To finish off Bukidnon and qualify for the finals.
Yun nga yung pinag-uusapan natin sa basketball. Hindi mo naman pwedeng masabi na stop mo siya in 20 minutes eh.
Yes.
You have to stop a player or a team for 40 minutes of basketball.
Yes. We take a look at this jumper by Eljan Lakaya. Good pull-up jumper there for Eljan. The two-man substitution right here for the NYBL Boss League. Two minutes and 7 seconds remaining in this first period.
At ito, pinag-uusapan natin dito. Pero sige, ito muna.
Yes, but before that, Coach Alvin, ibigay muna natin kay Milka Jazz Raimundo for her report on Kerry Craig Domingo of Zamboanga ESA.
Proved himself na kung kaya kakayanin at kakayanin pa rin. He is the captain ball of Zamboanga ESA and also the SK chairman of his barangay, Barangay Emalda. Talagang hindi na bago sa kanya ang time management and act on the roll. He doesn't forget the responsibilities he has for his team. He always keep in his mind the importance of leadership inside the court. Kaya naman, let's see how he will connect with his teammates in today's match. Now back to you, Enzo and Alvin.
Thank you so much, MJ. And yun nga, si Casey Domingo, parang SK chairman siya dun sa barangay nila sa Zamboanga. He's also the team captain here. And also, dun sa tournament na pinag-uusapan natin is another three-pointer by Tangilul. Yun nga eh, Casey Domingo did not represent the local team ng Zamboanga or the municipality of Rojas. No, he did not play for the Vanguard. He played for a rival team, Iligan Archangels, di ba?
Yun. Pero nakikita mo naman dito, Enzo, yung isang manlalaro na tulad yan, pag mahal mo talaga ang isang sport,
Yes.
kahit saan ka pang koponan na yan, talagang ilalaban mo yan. Pero you will still be proud of where you are located, and that is in Zamboanga.
Iba pa rin talaga, diba? When you're playing for your home province, diba? Sa steal, right here, tumatakbo. Etong NYBL Boss League and the easy layup para dito kay Jerwin Carpio.
And number 77, playing like Luka on that fast break, di ba?
Oo. Again, look at Galopez. Pero this time, he gets whistled for an offensive foul. Sorry, that's Abria. Kakamukha eh. No? Yung magkaka-height yung big man netong Zamboanga ESA.
Parang isang molde lang eh, no?
Oo.
Pero etong pinag-usapan natin itong ating Junior World Showcase. It's not just the players that are very much excited.
Yes.
Lalo-lalo na itong probinsya ng Pampanga, no? We will be playing in different venues starting tomorrow. Ito,
Right.
opening natin, 4 na laro. Pero simula bukas, iba't ibang mga lokasyon tayo.
8 dito sa Bren, 9 sa... If I'm not mistaken, 9 dito sa Bren, 8 sa Bacolor, and 8 sa Dabsu.
No,
diba?
9 tomorrow sa Bacolor.
Kaya 9 sa Bacolor, tas 8 sa Dabsu,
Yes,
di ba?
Yes.
So, At ilang games yun? Hindi ako magaling mag-mat eh.
26.
26 games, di ba?
Tomorrow.
In one day, 26 games.
Oo. And a lot of us are very much excited for that opportunity to cover these up-and-coming players, di ba?
Yes. And the players are very excited kasi this is an international tournament. We have international teams. As a good drive right there by Jerwin Carpio. He draws the foul. Goes 1 out of 2 from the free throw line. But this is where they're going to make a statement, make a name for themselves. As final 6.2 seconds there. Yun nga lang, fumaul pa itong NYBL Boss League.
Pero may fouls to give pa kasi sila. So, good foul to stop that possible run here. Pero that's the 4th team foul there. Or 3rd team foul rather.
3rd team foul. And the last shot, heave there for Zamboanga Esa by Dinglasa does not go in. But after the end of this very, very competitive and fast-paced first quarter, it is the Zamboanga Esa, the Mindanao representatives, up by 2 points as we can see some of these first quarter highlights. And what a start for one-man coach Alvin. And Kelvin Tangilol already with 8 points to his tally in the first period.
Yes, yun nga. Ang ganda ng sinimula nito ni Tangilol now. He will have to continue his high scoring dito sa kupunan ng Zamboanga if they want to get win number 1 here in their 23 under bracket.
Yes, pero dito naman sa panig ng NYBL Boss League, they started to get comfortable as the game went by dito in the first period, and that's why it's just a 2-point lead in favor of Zamboanga Esa, 17-15 after the end of the first period.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Walang talo, walang panalo as per head coach of NYBL Boss League Ariel Ison. Since this is their first game, he wants his player to enjoy the game. He also stated due to sudden announcement that they will be playing today, even though they feel pressure and have others' commitment. He still chose the SLA Junior World Showcase because he believes most of his players will play on another level and competitiveness that they will encounter on this league. Back to you, Enzo and Alvin.
Thank you so much, MJ. And yun nga for this, not just, di ba, coach ng NYBL Boss League, it's also the entire organization of the National Youth Basketball League, di ba, Coach Alvin?
Yes, syempre, if you are bringing the name of that league, NYBL, marami na rin naman naglalaro dyan na mga iba't ibang mga koponan. So, that will be a very good thing for that league na re-represent mo yung isang liga na up-and-coming such as that, NYBL.
Yes, and yun nga which goes to show na ilang beses sinabi ni President Ray Alao, Chairman Rocky Chan, as we take a look at this muna, yung fast break layup ni Eljan Lakaya. 4 points now to Eljan's name. But yun nga, what Sir Rocky and Boss Ray has always told us from day one, di ba? We're not here to compete with any other leagues. We're here to actually help the youth. So if leagues like the NYBL, even the UBL, di ba? Kasama natin dito sa Junior World Showcase Delta Cup natin, we're here to help out the youth. And if partnering up with mga youth leagues, di ba? Sali sila sa tournament, create sila ng team, buo sila ng all-star team of somewhat ng buong liga nila. We're down for it, di ba? You know, we're very, very much open.
At alam mo ano pang exciting dito sa atin? Nandiyan na si NYBL, nandiyan si UBL. At malapit na rin natin makasama ang panibagong liga naman.
Perlas ng Silangan Basketball League. Of course, we share one man there. Our Commissioner Com Rodney is also their commissioner, di ba?
Kaya nga excited tayo dahil yung mga liga na yan, nakikita natin we are getting to be united as one.
Yun nga we are one nga talaga dito sa Sinag Liga Asia. Pero dito nga, it's time that we watch the world play, di ba? That is our official hashtag po mga Kasinags. If you're going to post some highlights, some pictures, if you're here in the venue or you're just watching sa aming mga social media platforms, use the hashtag SLA and also hashtag watch the world play, di ba? This is yung pinaka-inaantay natin na tournament. And for sure, itong NYBL Boss League, despite na last minute nilang nalaman, may laro sila, last minute din silang nasali, as De Guzman's floater is a miss, they're honored na sila yung pinili, di ba?
Yes,
Sino may Pampanga Delta had to go through an entire tournament to qualify. Sila in-invite last minute. Siguro kahit ako di ba? Kukunin ko yung opportunity and take that opportunity.
And you're going up against teams such as Pampanga Delta, itong Zamboanga ESA, and then the US squad such as Familia DC. That is how much you are very much excited to play against different players and teams dito sa ating liga.
So itong NYBL Boss League, they're an all-star team of the all-star players of the NYBL, diba, the National Youth Basketball League. Zamboanga ESA is the all-star team of the region of the province of Zamboanga. Pampanga Delta, that's a myth. Those are legends, diba? And then yung Familia DC is all-star players galing sa Washington.
Yes.
And also some here local players. A couple of local players na naglalaro na dito sa Pilipinas na kinuha ni Coach Eric Quintana, our East Coast Director dun sa US. Kasi nagliga siya East Coast Director dun. So, di ba, where can you find such competition? Especially sa age bracket nila, 23 and under, di ba?
Yan, yun yung mga manlalaro na nasa latter senior high school na, going to college. And then, we might see players. Again, sa Pampanga Delta pa lang, ilan sa mga manlalaro doon, nakita na rin natin na maglaro sa mga different colleges dito sa ating bansa. Now, how are we excited for that? These players should be excited playing against possible superstars in the pro leagues.
Yes. As Fuentes puts it up and in. Great try right there by X-Rail. And one thing I'm seeing from both squads, Coach Alvin, both NYBL Boss League and Zamboanga ESA, they are falling in love with running, pero it's working.
Run and gun ang laro nila. At dito mga masasabi, in the first 20 minutes, hindi mo pa alam kung anong i-expect mo from both squads. But come second half later, titingnan natin the adjustment. This is where the coaching adjustments comes in. Ano ba yung ginaitan ng coaches na ginagawa nitong kabilang koponan? Adjustments. Later on, yan ang papantayan natin.
Yes, as Kabantog with the block up top. And he let De Guzman know about it. As Galope, no good from that hook shot. Here comes NYBL Boss League. Torcato attacks Galope. Wayward shot there, but good rebound. Galing dito kay Gabriel Kabantog.
Kita mo yung sipag ito ni Kabantog.
Take a look at this. Lakas grab of the quarter brought in by Fulitech Philippines Incorporated. What an attack right here from Gabriel Kabantog. And again, another airball free throw. That's the second airball free throw for the NYBL Boss League, Coach Alvin, di ba?
Parang, ano ba, napagod ba sa biyahe? Mula Manila, papunta dito?
Or pwede din bang kabado ng konti? Kasi internationally tayo nabo-broadcast, di ba? We have broadcast partners sa TPN na ang mga kinikater, yung mga Filipino from other countries, di ba? As right now, ibigay natin kay MJ Raimundo for her report on Elgin Pampilo of Zamboanga ESA.
Big opportunity and a good experience daw itong SLA Junior World Showcase para sa kanya. All the way from our hometown, talagang binitbit namin lahat ng pwede namin bitbitin. Pangarap namin na makalaro sa iba't ibang lugar. Pero this is more than just a dream. Since main makakalaban kami ng mga international teams, we prepare ourselves not only physically but mentally. Kaya whatever it takes, we will enjoy this game and hopefully get the best possible outcome. And back to you, Enzo and Alvin.
Thank you so much, MJ. And I like what Pampilo said, Coach Alvin. This is more than just a dream. Kumbaga, ano ba? As a kid, a young kid, maiisip mo na lang sa gilas ko lang siguro mararanasan ito na makapaglaro ng international, di ba?
Yes. Alam mo yung experience na dadalhin mo hanggang, sabihin natin, tumanda ka, magkaroon ka ng anak. Di ba? Ibang klase. Yung ganong klase ng opportunity that you will be telling these stories to your kids, to mga pamangkin mo na nakapaglaro ako sa isang international competition para dito pa sa bansa natin na Pilipinas.
Totoo. And again, dito sa Pampanga gaganapin, the home of Sinag Liga Asia. And of course, you can watch all our games sa aming mga social media platforms at Sinag Liga Asia on both Facebook and Instagram po. And also, watch it live on YouTube. And also follow us on TikTok at Sinag Liga TV. Itong Zamboanga ESA, their lead is only down to 1. NYBL could get another stop here. They could retake the lead on the next offensive possession. But Tangilol is open again. 11 first half points para dito kay Kelvin Tangilol.
Alam mo, masarap yung tulog nito ni Tangilol. Pagising niya, maganda ang lalaroin ko. And he's really showing everyone that he's ready to play.
Sana yung mga yan lalo sa mga Mindanao area, di ba? Di pa nga tabla yung karamihan ng courts dun, di ba? Mga ano po Semento. Minsan pa nga, mga ring na kinakabit na lang dun sa mga puno. Di ba? Ganun na, makeshift karamihan, di ba? So, that's one thing na compare dito sa Luzon. Di ba? We have courts everywhere dito sa area ng Luzon. Dun sa Mindanao, they don't have a lot, di ba?
Minsan lupa pa nga
Yes.
Ang pinaglalaroan niya, di ba? Sa mga paglaro lang.
Talaga. Ito naman, NYBL Boss League. You can see the talent. It's just, parang yun nga Sila yung bumiyahe. Zamboanga's been here in Pampanga since yesterday. Diba itong NYBL, sila yung dumayo pa ngayong araw. At muntik pa nga malit Diba? Due to traffic. Diba? The traffic congestion dito sa NLEX.
Parang naman pinakaba mo.
Mamaya, hindi ka naman uuwi. Dito ka mag-stay. Ano ba? As you can see, Coach Saldi Realiza right there. A good friend. As a three-pointer is a miss para dito kay Nicolas. Again, another miss right here. The defense from Zamboanga ESA is slowly holding up one more time. Fuentes attacks. Loses the basketball. Throws up a wild shot there, Coach Alvin.
Oo. Masyadong minatali naman. You should at least take the opportunities. Ilabas mo muna yung bola, set gameplay.
And I like the fact that yung style of tournament natin dito is you play today. I call it the kickboxing style. Diba yung kickboxing when you have a kickboxing tournament?
Yes.
Laban ka ngayon, laban ka bukas, laban ka hanggang sa matalo ka, laglag ka. Dito naman, walang laglagan. You play all the teams. You have 3 games. Each team dito sa 23 under plays each other. Top 2 teams will advance as we show the tournament format natin for the final round. So dito, you play today, you play tomorrow, you play the next day. And then, you play on Sunday, di ba?
Yes, oo. Yun nga yung ganyan ka-exciting, yung 23 under natin. Para lang, clear natin 23 under po yung ganong klase ng format. And it's a different format for our other brackets.
Yes. As itong si Casey draws the foul. Good move. Galing dito kay Domingo. Take a look at this great inbound play, Coach Alvin. Mga kamay na parang nahawakan ako ng MVP
Siyempre.
Pero itong game na to, one thing about this game, Coach Alvin for sure the pressure is all on you. Diba? Kasi this is the first game of the Junior World Showcase Delta Cup. Kung yung mag-open, diba as a player parang, excited ka, but once you're on the court parang, teka lang. May realization ka bigla
Lahat nakatingin sa'yo. Lalo na dito. At usually sa mga ibang liga, di ba, ang nagsa-start, hindi nga 23 under nagsa-start Usually mga bata. Pero tayo dito, we start it in the 23 under.
Kumbaga, kayo munang mga kuya, you've had, kumbaga, you're close to the peak you're close to the dream. Ang isa-showcase natin talaga dito, kaya nga mas maraming teams yung 15, 17 and 19, diba? Kasi they're the next one's up. Next man up nga akong tawagin, diba?
The next generation.
Yes.
Itong mga younger natin. So, yun nga, 4 na bracket, 4 na divisions. So, ito yung magandang appetizer natin para mamaya sa main course natin ang 19
Grabe ng appetizer to, diba? Parang nag-steak ka na agad. Steak na agad as appetizer mo. But, siyempre, that's why we brought out the big guns ngayon. We deployed all our court sides. We deployed all our directors. And even you, Coach Alvin, diba? With your very busy schedule, you're back. Coach Ernest is here. Coach Pancho will be coming. And mamayang 3rd and 4th game.
Yon!
My mentor is here all the way from Cebu.
Parang kilala ko yan.
Of course. Tago na natin sa Master of Disaster.
Yes.
The nickname.
Mamaya yan. Excited ako makakasama ko ulit siya. After ilang taon na
3
3
years. Kasi I started a year after nyo magsama, di ba? At ito, NYBL on the run. Good drop pass, following jumper from Angeles. Di nga lang pumasok.
Kaya nga excited na tayo lahat dito because it's somewhat also a reunion of some sort for some of us here. New and up and coming also broadcast panel mga kasama natin dito.
Ito, and na-reunite ako with my college friend.
Yes.
Chinita Princess is here.
Who would have thought?
Nandito. Well, we're in for more surprises.
Yes.
Today. Diba? Today pa lang.
Today.
Paano pa kaya bukas? What more tomorrow when we're going to start with 3 venues? And yung nga pala mga kasinag, may I remind you na may 3 laro pa po kami ngayon. And tomorrow we will have 3 venues po dito po sa Brenzigao Convention Center. Meron din po sa Bacolor Convention Center. And of course, sa Don Onario Ventura State University dito sa Pampanga po. Yun po ang 3 venues namin for tomorrow, July 18. All of the tournament brackets natin, 15, 17, 19, and 23. Mapapanood nyo po tomorrow. Kaya kung malapit po kayo sa mga venues na yun, punta na po kayo and support ang aming mga laro dito. Kasi itong NYBL Boss League finally hits a 3-pointer. That's their first 3-pointer, Coach Alvin.
Kanina pa nilang gusto makuha yan.
Dennis Gomez gives them their first 3-point make. And look at the pressure. Itong si Domingo. Great defense from the NYBL Boss League. Coach Zaldi realiza napakamot na lang dahil nga their lead has already evaporated down to 2. 26-24, a minute and 14 natitira sa ating second quarter. We are live here inside the Brenzigao Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga. And 11 months ago, Sinag Liga Asha was born dito. And coming up next, it's the legendary team of Pampanga Delta kontra ang Dayo. All the way from Washington, D.C., ang Familia DC. The best local team we have dito sa Pilipinas in the 23 under division.
Yes.
Arguably, because they lost to the Hustle Rising Suns, by the way. Shout out to the champions, Hustle Rising Suns, but syempre, the best local team, Pampanga Delta, going up against Washington's finest.
We can say one of the best.
One of, if not the best, diba?
Oo, dahil, syempre,
nasilat na eh. Nasilat na eh.
Hindi, pero that finals was very, very, very exciting. It really came down to that Peter Rosillo.
And the Luis Pablo
and
Block.
the Luis Pablo Block.
It actually, sa akin sa 2 years ko, that is the best game I have ever covered.
Wow.
Napaos ako pagkatapos.
Kayong dalawa ni Coach Pancho.
Napatayo kami, kita-kita sa camera eh. But right here, we're talking about legends. Diba? That Pampanga, the group, yung players na yun ng 2300 ng Pampanga Delta, they're already a legendary group. Diba? They go down in history of regional basketball, youth regional basketball as probably one of the best. Etong NYBL and Zamboanga ESA, they want to list their names there.
Siyempre.
Especially individually. And what will their, yung mga players na to, what will it do for their careers? Diba? Imagine that, Coach Alvin.
Pero take note, yung Familia DC na yan, hindi rin magpapahulihan because there are players there that are, kumbaga, nagpapakilala na rin in the collegiate leagues natin dito sa bansa.
May Tigre dun eh.
May Tigre. May dating Tamaraw.
Oo. Dami. So mamaya, mga kasinag,
abangan nyo.
Watch. And especially also watch our opening later at 3 p.m. Diba? We will have some festivities. And also, after the opening, may 2 games pa tayo. Diba? Itong NYBL Boss League 19 under team naman nila magko-compete. And also, they'll be coming up against North America's finest, ang AZ Canada West. And syempre, our third game, ang Delta Cup standouts.
Yes.
The Apalit, I love it.
Yun!
Mayor Jun Petangco will play.
Alam mo kung ano yun? Before that, Apalit, I love it. How much we saw. Actually, I saw that finals game.
Against Lubao.
Against Lubao. That was very exciting. Unfortunately, brother, you were not there.
Nasa Bohol ako eh.
Yes, in that finals. But they will be going up against Lakas California that
Yes.
I have already saw.
Lakas California, that is a team that no one should count out. That is your exact words, di ba, Coach Alvin?
Grabe. Mga manlalaro dyan. I've seen them play sa isang liga na nilaruan nila. And they are a team to reckon with.
Yes, pero itong dalawang komponan, ha? Coach Alvin, kanina, first quarter, puro score. Ngayon
Yes.
naman, in the second quarter, they focused on defense.
Yes.
That is a great adjustment from the coaches and also from the players, di ba? Na parang, kanina first quarter, score lang tayo na score, takbuhan lang tayo na takbuhan. Dito naman, focus tayo sa depensa, which is a good attitude from young players, di ba?
Yes, 9 points for both squads here.
Second quarter.
In the second quarter. So, it has been a defensive type of a quarter or for not just for one team but both teams. That's only the 11th point of Zamboanga. After a good start of Zamboanga.
Rehensha with a jumper and a 5-second inbound violation galing dito sa NYBL Boss League. Zamboanga's patented full court press. Knowing Coach Zaldi Realiza, I've covered him 2 years ago. He loves this full court press to wreak havoc. Parang their own version of mayhem, di ba? Which we all know is made famous by Coach. Oh!
Alam mo, nakita ko doon. Somewhat like may nilabas na elbow. Kaya nga nasaktan.
Yes, and Torcato is immediately down on the ground, holding on to his midsection there. Abria pleading his case to the referees, but siyempre, you don't plead your case to the referees. The referees will go to the IRS. Magdi-defer sila sa IRS natin to check about the action there. As 15.4 seconds. You can see the entire coaching staff of Zamboanga ESA reminding itong si Ivo Abria about, keep your focus, di ba? You only have 3 games dito. Pag na-eject ka, it's the same Sinag Liga ASA rules eh. Pag ma-eject ka, you do not play the next game, di ba, Coach Alvin? So, sa 3 laro, baka 2 lang malaruan mo. That's crucial. There you go on the replay.
Diyan na natin.
Yan
mas magandang.
There you go. Take a look at that. Abria, number 29. Oh!
Parang pagtawid niya hindi nakita dyan sa view na yan.
Oo.
So, we hope na meron tayong isang sa ilalim.
Totoo.
Mas kita yung ilalim
Yes. But syempre, iba yung nakikita natin sa nakikita ng referees. That is just what's available to us right now.
Yes.
Sa referees po, they get all the angles muna and the best angle, yun ang ibibigay mamaya sa atin, di ba, Coach Alvin? But yun nga our referees are also international referees, di ba? Legends in Philippine basketball referees, di ba?
And let's see.
Oh! Double fist up already. And we've just been talking about that, Coach Alvin, di ba? How crucial if an ejection happens.
Yun yung mabigat kasi may possibility kasi na ang nakita nila is may punch na throw.
Close fist.
Doon sa pagtangka nitong si Abria na makawala doon sa depensa. So, mabigat yan dahil malaking bagay ito para dito dahil it's one of their big men na mawawala dito sa lineup ng Zamboanga.
Yes, as Torcato misses the free throw, and that's siguro the area that NYBL Boss League should improve upon in the second half is their free throw shooting. 1 out of 2 dun si Torcato, but they've missed a lot of free throws in this first half, di ba, Coach Alvin?
Yes, free throws pa lang natin around 4 out of 12 in the free throws. So mukhang kailangan umattend sa free throw school mo. Sa Canarosa.
Mahina din ako dyan.
Mahina din ba?
Kasi ito, final 10 seconds of the first half. Torcato, good defense right there by Fuentes. They swing it over, a 3-pointer. Off the mark, Domingo with the board. 1 second remaining. Do they know? They don't. As what An action-packed first half dito as Zamboanga sa lamang ng 3 puntos after the first 20 minutes of action. We talked about Tanjilul in the first quarter having 8. He already has 14 of the 28 points, Coach Alvin.
Yes, so kalahati ng puntos nito Zamboanga na kay Tanjilul. But he needs help. Kasunod kagad niya dito, only 2 points respectively dun sa mga iba niyang kakampi. So, a lot of things needs to be settled for both squads. Kasi nga, it has been a low-scoring first half for both squads.
Yes, as NYBL Boss League inching closer, Coach Alvin, numerous times na nakadikit sila within 1, di ba? So, let's see if in this second half, they can finally take the lead and at the same time, go and get the victory. As ito po ang ating halftime score, 28-25. Kapit lang po, mga kasinag, as we will be right back dito sa ating first game ng SLA Junior World Showcase Delta Cup.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Ako si Jet Maronilla ng MC Sports. So basically, it's our second time at Sinag. First time in Calibre 45. We were one of those who participated in last season's 40 division. So we're excited. I think we have a good bunch of 45-year-olds na solid yung team namin. I, together with Attorney Man Scarpio, made sure that we entered in this league with a solid lineup. So we're very much excited to compete with the other teams. When I saw the lineup, yun din naman yung mga teams na kalaban namin dun sa 40. So nasa 45 na ngayon, kita-kita ulit kami. And again, we hope that MC Sports will give a good showing again as we did during the season in the 40s that we participated in. Umpisahan mo, tatapusin ko. Calibre 45, ano, kakasa kayo?
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Mga kasinag, panoorin ang salpukan sa mundo ng basketball. Watch the world play sa SLA Junior World Showcase sa July 17 to 21 sa Pampanga, Philippines. See you!
Oh! Yan na naman siya! Kalma lang tayo! Lamang tayo ng isa! There's a foul away from the play. Sandwich between two.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
nga po pala si Justin Bautista ng Pampanga Delta. Tutok lang po kayo sa SLA Junior World Showcase.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga, kahit di sabihin. Feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
Ako'y Daniel Pineda ng Pampanga Pradera Team Park. Tutok lang sa SLA Junior World Showcase. Ako si Underdog ng Pampanga Delta. Tutok lang sa SLA Junior World Showcase.
We are here at Renzi Giao Convention Center and you are still watching SLA Junior World Showcase. Before we go back to our first game for today, kausapin muna natin ang team owner ng Zamboanga ESA. I am with Mr. Esa Hambali. First of all po, thank you po for joining me here at the half. Ang question ko lang naman po is, ano po ba yung nag-push or nag-udyok sa inyo to join our SLA Junior World Showcase? And alam naman po natin na big opportunity po ito para po sa Zamboanga, para po mas lalo silang makilala.
To encourage young players and to keep away from vices.
Gaano naman po ba kayo ka-excited? Kasi syempre hindi lang naman po kapwa Pilipino. Syempre international din po ang makakalaban po nila dito.
Actually, we are so excited, no, and we are very thankful to the chairman of this Sinag Liga Asia that we are given an opportunity to be part of this international tournament 23 under category.
No, meron naman po ba kayong gustong batiin at pasalamatan? Batiin at pasalamatan.
I would special mention to our sponsor, Sir JJ Halushos, no, APP chairman of Labasan Zamboanga del Norte, and of course to other sponsors, which is thank you so much.
Once again, that is the team owner of Zamboanga ESA, Mr. Esa Hambali. Now back to you, Alvin and Enzo.
Thank you so much, MJ. Thank you so much ulit po kay Sir Esa Hambali, the team owner of Zamboanga ESA, as his team is actually up by 3 points, 28-25 at the half kontra dito sa NYBL Boss League. As we can see, some of these halftime highlights. And Coach Alvin, we said a totally different first and second quarters from these two teams. First quarter, puro scoring. Second quarter, puro depensa naman ang focus nila. What do you think? Let's go over muna dito sa Zamboanga ESA side. What do you think are the keys to victory for them in the second half?
Yes, so ito nga Zamboanga. Maganda nga yung simula nila, led by itong si Kevin Natanjelul with 14 points already. But again, he needs help. Yun yung problem nitong koponan ng Zamboanga. Nahihirapan sila dito, lalo na at nawala na itong isa sa kanilang manlalaro dito sa lineup ng Zamboanga na si Abria. He will no longer be playing because he was disqualified in the second quarter. So everyone has to step up. Not just ito si Kevin Tanjelul para umangat ang laro ng Zamboanga. While for NYBL, it has been a balanced scoring for them, led by Carpio with 5 points. But he needs help again. It's an entire team effort dito. defense, take a look at the numbers here. Napakababa ng kanilang attempts dito. Kung titignan mo, yes, good field goal shooting. But the problem is, yung kanilang attempts dito, 20 lamang sa Zamboanga, 21 for NYBL Boss League. Parang hindi ito yung usual natin makikita for 23 under. Usually, nakikita natin dapat mga nakatake na sila ng 30 shots, but 20 shots, 21 shots, rebounds, syempre in favor of Zamboanga because they are more bigger in the inside. But you can see the other stats masyadong mababa for both squads. So, hopefully in the second half, marami ang mag-step up for their respective squads.
That's right, Coach Alvin, as we see the leading scorers dito. Carpio with 5, Buhain with 4, Rualo and Gomez all with 4 points for NYBL Boss League. Para man sa Zamboanga ESA, Kelvin Tangilul with 14 points to lead all scores. The rest, Galope, Fuentes, and Domingo, 2 points. And surprisingly, as I look at the stat sheet ngayon, Coach Alvin, Randolph Lacchio, the pride of the municipality of Rojas, Zamboanga del Norte, the man of steel, has not played a single second in the first half, di ba? Ano kaya rason, di ba?
Oh, and even Kenji Malyarin.
Ang mga natin na nagaganda ang mga courtside reporters, Daphne Lozano, Francine Capili, and of course, our brand new face on the sidelines, itong si Kimberly Advincula.
Yes. And ito mga
FIBA delegates.
Oo,
FIBA logo, di ba?
Yes, oo. Mga bisita natin.
And of course, the Tika Puppy ng Sinag Liga Asia, Courtney Buenaventura together with her father, di ba?
Siyempre, sana makunan din yung isa pa, no? Oo, sana. Yung nasa likod lang naman.
Yung kaibigan ko.
Yung mga kaibigan natin dyan.
Siyempre, mga performers later sa ating opening. Mamaya po. We have 4 different performers later on as ngayon. Mga kasinag, we will be right back sa ating game dito for the second half ng laban ng Zamboanga ESA kontra NYBL Boss League.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
To 25, a 3-point lead in favor of the Zamboanga ESA. As we will... One of the interesting rules dito sa ating World Showcase, Coach Alvin, is dito sisimulan. There'll be games na yung mga teams will only play 8-minute quarters.
Yun yung isa sa mga rules natin. Medyo binago.
Yes.
Itong Sinag Liga Asia.
Especially starting tomorrow, all of the teams na maglalaro sa Bren, Bacolor, and Davsu, they will all play 8-minute first 3 quarters. So first 3 quarters, 8 minutes. Sa fourth quarter, babalik to the standard 10 minutes. Bukas and sa 19. 18 and 19. July 18 and 19 are day 2 and day 3. Yun ang rules. 8-minute quarters, first 3 quarters.
Kasama pa rin ata yung 20 na first 2 games na elimination round. Basta
elimination games. Pagdating sa semifinals or the playoffs, diba? We go back to the standard 10-minute 4 quarters, diba? So yun yung something, of course, we have to cater. We have 4 divisions with, if I'm not mistaken, 29 teams or 30 teams pa nga eh. That's a good move right there. Galing dito kay Rualo. Yung 30 teams in 5 days, diba? NBA nga, hirap. Sa NBA nga, hirap sila sa ganun. All 30 teams, diba? But right here in Sinag Liga Asia, we want to #watch the world play nga, di ba?
Yes, and sa dami nga ng mga komponen na to, again, we have representatives from the UAE, Canada, United States of America, syempre sa ating Pilipinas, syempre meron tayong Zamboanga from the Mindanao region, so a lot of representatives here. The Visayas is also represented by the one and only
Master of Disaster.
Master of Disaster. PJ.
Simon. As a jumper by Fuentes missed there. A chance for NYBL Boss League to take the lead. Hindi nga lang pumasok yung layup doon. Si Torcato. On the run na naman, Lakaya, pull-up jumper. That's his favorite. That's his game by Eljan Lakaya. Those mid-range jumpers, Coach Alvin.
Kanina nagawa na niya yun ng first quarter.
Yes.
But hindi niya natuloy-tuloy eh. That's only his 4th point here. Second behind that 14 points of Tangilul. So, kailangan pang bumuhos ng puntos nitong si Lakaya.
Like I said, he once scored 27 in the second half. So maybe he's reverting back to that game, di ba?
Mr. Second half pa itong si Lakaya. Let's see.
And ano pa yung close-out game ng semifinals? Ganun crucial na ginawa yun.
When you're hot, you're hot.
Yes. Ayun, linya ni ano yun? Linya nung Visayas representative natin yun. As Tangilul with now 16 points in the game. Grabe, what a game para dito kay Kelvin Tangilul now with 16 points, kalahati ng production ng kanyang koponan. As we can see, the lakas drive of the quarter brought to by CDO Food Spear. Food that brings you home from Kelvin Tangilul. 16 points para sa kanya, a 5-point lead for Zamboanga ESA.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga, kahit di sabihin. Feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
The Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase Delta Cup is brought to you by CDO Food Spear. Food that brings you home. 5 minutes and 6 remaining in this third period. Again, this is an 8-minute third period, Coach Alvin, di ba? So, if you're a team that's down, di ba? Gaya nitong NYBL Boss League, wala na dapat painit-painit. Dapat automatic na kayong arangkada agad.
Hindi pwede dito yung parang diesel.
Oo.
Ito parang hindi diesel.
18 points, grabe. Parang naka-race gas eh.
Oo, 18 puntos agad dito para kay Tangilul.
18 points, 14 in the first half, di ba? Sa transition take foul, ang binigay dito ni Carpio. Still, I'm looking at the lineup. No Randolph Lacchio, di ba?
Meron kaya Inda. Hopefully we can get an update, you know, from our courtside reporter.
Yes, si MJ.
Si MJ. Hopefully meron makakuha ang update eh.
And the reason why I say that, because Randolph Lacchio still has, dun sa liga na yun, still has the record for the all-time number of steals. 9 steals in one game. That's why he was dubbed the man of steel, Coach Alvin. Diba, 9 steals. Kahit mga pro, hirap gawin yun eh.
Oo, hirap na hirap yan. Even the likes of Chris Paul, dito sa Pilipinas, the likes of Gio Halalon, Mark Baroka. Hirap na hirap yan.
Totoo. So, diba, that's why we're talking about Randolph Lacchio and where he is. As right now, let's turn it over to MJ Raimundo for her report. MJ?
Kahit na nakakaramdam ng kaba at pressure, nandun pa din ang kanyang excitement dahil he feel motivated because this is not just for him but also his community at lalo na daw sa mga kabataan na nag-aaspire at makilala bilang magaling na manlalaro. Dagdag pa niya, this is his opportunities to show off his talents and his dedication to the team. Now back to you, Enzo and Alvin.
Thank you so much. MJ, as yun nga eh, kahit daw may kaba, he's still excited. As you can see, yun nga, ito si Dennis Gomez of NYBL. And for sure, di ba, sa NYBL, sarili nilang liga, they're used to it. They're stars. Dito, this is a different league eh. With already established stars, di ba? We know the stars dito sa Sinag Liga Asia. Kumbaga dito, it's time for them to make a name for themselves outside of their own league, di ba?
Oo, kailangan talaga magpakilala ka na.
Yes. I mean, malay natin. Iba dito, sumunod sa yapak ni Superman, who became the 6th overall pick in the PBA, in the recent PBA draft, diba? As we take a look at this lakas fast break of the quarter, brought to you by Winzen's Cafe, our official cafe partner sa Sinag Liga Asia. Of course, sa mga taga Naga City, Cebu, dalaw na kayo sa Winzen. So yun, may representative din tayo from Cebu sa sponsors natin, di ba?
Pero nakita mo yung replay na yun. Parang yun din yung replay kanina, no?
Ining kabilang side lang ng court, eh. Diba?
Oo, but again, siguro ang iniisip nila dito, why will you need Lacchio right now if you are having a wonderful or a seamless game mula dito kay Kevin Tangilul? And right now, tingnan natin, how will NYBL Boss League get this here? And ayun, muntik na, the turnover kagad dito para sa koponan ng NYBL Boss League.
You can see the head coach of the NYBL Boss League, of course, well represented, FEU Tamaros, di ba?
Oo.
And yun nga, this is where, ito talaga, the perfect word, it's a showcase. It's not a challenge, it's not a tournament, it's a showcase ng Coach Alvin, di ba? We are showcasing the talent of all Filipinos dito, di ba? As Tanjilo again. 21 points if I'm not mistaken, Coach Alvin?
23 points.
23, kunulang pa pala ako, my bad.
Hindi, pero hindi mo, pinakita ni Tanjilo, hindi lang ako pang layup, pang pass break. Meron din siyang 3-point shooting.
And pangatlo na niya yan, di ba?
Yes.
Bawi naman, itong si Carpio from downtown. Sherwin Carpio giving some life here and much needed points from NYBL dahil down sila by 12 kanina as a traveling violation whistled here on Eljan Lakaya. 2 minutes and 33 seconds natitira. As speaking of, nanonood all the way from the municipality of Rojas, Zamboanga del Norte ang ating kaibigan Marco Visitacion. Marco, ingat ka dyan. Itong kuponan mong mga representatives nyo na nagwawala, especially this kid. Now with 25 points. Insi, happy watching po.
Yes, nakakamiss din no?
Si Marco.
Marco.
Of course, he's now working sa local government unit ng Rojas, di ba? And for sure, mga ibang mga players dito, kilala siguro si Marco kasi mga naglaro na, nag-represent na. Kagaya nga ni Eljan Lakaya, nag-represent na as a Rojas Vanguard for mga 23 under tournaments, di ba, Coach Alvin?
Yes, yes. Nagtatrabaho ngayon for LGU.
LGU.
So, konsehal.
Hindi.
Di ba?
Stop lang. As you can see, a layup dito galing kay Kelvin Tangilo. 25 points already to his tally. And 3 quarters pa lang tayo. An 8-minute quarter to, ha?
Yes, what a way for you na magpakilala sa isang international tournament na to score 25 points in 3 quarters of play.
What a block there by Fuentes. Inabangan sa taas. Itong si Flores. We take a look at this once again. Ang ating lakas block of the quarter brought to you by 0107 Management Group Incorporated. 11-point lead for Zamboanga Esa. That's gonna be an illegal pick on Rualo. Kitang-kita. Still moving pa siya. No?
Hindi siya madaling gumalaw eh. No? When you set a screen, tayo ka lang muna.
Yes.
Diba? Tayo ka lang. Then, once na talaga mapigilan mo na yon, then you can move para hindi matawagan or hindi ka matawagan ng illegal pick.
Yes. May inisip ako joke pero wag na. There's another 3-pointer by Tanjilo. Heat check, di ba? Heat check. Ito, tumatakbo na naman ang mga nakaputi. Rualo nearly got that basket to go. But there was a foul call. And he will go to the free throw line. And again, the free throw shooting of the NYBL Boss League, no, Coach Alvin, in the first half was, I don't want to say terrible, pero di ba, not up to par to what they want it to be, di ba?
Well, kung titignan mo 1 minute and 25 remaining, etong NYBL, pababa ang kanilang scoring. They started off the first quarter with 15 points. And then 10 points. Now they only have scored 5 points here in this quarter.
Yes.
So napakababa nito. Good defense once again by the squad from Mindanao. Itong Zamboanga Esa.
Totoo. As yun nga, 1 out of 2 from the free throw line nandun. Ito si Rualo. But a full court pressure defense right here from NYBL and they get a steal. And this will be an easy layup para dito kay Flores.
Mukhang narinig ako. Yun nga, dahil tatlong sunod-sunod na puntos yan. 1 off the free throw and then that layup. So, 3 points here for their squad.
Totoo, Domingo. Beautiful finger roll from KC.
Napakaganda naman ang sidestep na yon.
Bawian na lang ng puntos, Coach Alvin. As Gomez swings it. Flores attacks. Flores draws another foul.
Diyan, ginagawa nitong NYBL. Sugod ng sugod. Papasok sa loob.
As We can take a look at this lakas steal of the quarter brought by Winzen's Cafe, our official cafe partner. Sinag Liga Asia, the steal and the easy layup galing dito kay Mark Flores.
Simple.
Mark Flores is now on the free throw line. Let's see if can they finally make 2 for 2. Yun nga lang, again, another miss from the free throw line.
Alam mo yun, yung problema talaga nitong koponan ng NYBL. They are been shooting now 5 out of 15 from the free throw line. That is very low. And ilan na yung mintis, talagang literally mintis na free throws nila.
10 na.
Di ba? Yung meaning hindi man lang tumama ng ring.
Kanina. Airball, no?
Airball. And now they are been shooting 5 of 16 from the free throw line.
Tagilo, good pass to Domingo. What an assist right there for Kelvin. Not just a scorer, Coach Alvin.
Yes, 6 points for Domingo. So, yun yung tulong na inaantay ni Tangilul.
Look at that offensive rebound by Kilapio, and he draws a foul. We take a look at this again. Ang ating lakas play of the quarter brought to you by J Project Clothing Shop, makers of quality uniform. Tangilul. Fancy pa sa parang Pistol Pit Marovic papunta kay Domingo.
Alam mo yung binibigyan na niya ng kumpiyansa. Yung kanyang mga kampi. Pwede na niya i-layup yun ni Tangilul. Yes. Nice dish off to that running big man na si Domingo for that score.
Now, 5 out of 17 na from the free throw line. Itong NYBL Boss League, Coach Alvin. And when you shoot those many bricks sa free throw line, diba, you have to expect that you'll be down, and they are down double figures na right now. And 6 out of 18 from the free throw line. That's what, 27%? If my math is correct. Sa mga mathematician dyan, huwag niyo po ako hindi ko po sure. Kaya patanong po yun.
Inaantay lang natin na mag-update sa atin. Pero that has been a very atrocious free throw shooting para dito sa kanilang koponan. 6 out of 18 to be exact.
Yes.
Kasi nakapasok na isang free throw. Eto, so 1 out of 2 on that trip. So, napakababa niyan.
18.8 seconds. Again, a very, very quick quarter because it's just an 8-minute quarter, and you will see a lot of that throughout this tournament in the elimination round as Fuentes knocks down the free throw. A good quarter also, Coach Alvin, for Zamboanga's other players. Hindi lang si Kelvin, di ba? It's also Domingo, ito si Fuentes defensively. Pag na ibang players.
Tulong-tulong na.
Yes. Now, a 12-point lead again for Zamboanga. Esa.
33% shooting from the free throw line.
Ang layo. That was a way off. Eto. Carpio, crossover. It hit his foot. His own foot, tumama yung bola.
Kaya nga nag-anchor na lang tayo eh. Hindi na tayo nag-mathematician.
That is true. Tangilol to beat the buzzer. Would have capped off what would have been a perfect quarter para sa kanya. But nonetheless, Coach Alvin, 25 points through 3 quarters. And lamang ang kanyang koponan by 13 points. Grabe, what a first 3 quarters here for Zamboanga Esa.
Yes, so itong NYBL Boss League, good start for them.
Yes.
It was a good start for them to open up this third quarter. But again, the run and gun action of this Zamboanga Esa squad really converted for their squad. And that is why they were doing well dito sa ating third quarter.
Yes, as we see some of these third quarter highlights, and ilang beses po nangyari yon para dito kay Kelvin Tangilol, hindi po inulit-ulit yon. But now, they have a 13-point lead right now, 47-34, entering the fourth and final quarter. Last 10 minutes of action dito sa ating first game ng SLA Junior World Showcase Delta Cup as Itong Zamboanga ESA enjoying a 13-point lead. It's a good bump. Masyado nga lang malalim yung dukot shot doon ni Hernandez. Ball remains dito sa panig ng NYBL Boss League. Good steal na naman. That has been piling up para dito sa panig ng Zamboanga ESA, Coach Alvin. The steals, di ba?
Yes, steals department. And then their assist numbers. Ganda ng mga numero nila. Steals department, it's 8. Right now, it's 9-6 in favor of Zamboanga. And then the rebounds sa kanila pa rin. 27-18.
Yes.
That is how dominated itong kuponan ng how dominating itong Zamboanga all throughout this ball game. And then their field goal shooting, maganda pa rin at 47%. But, at halos yun eh. Yung fast break points nila, 12-7. Yung 12 points na yan, ng fast break na yan, 10 galing kay Kelvin Tangilul.
Yes.
Yung isa, yun yung kanyang pasa, ito naman kay Domingo.
So, scored or assisted, no?
Oo. Halos lahat dumadaan sa kanya.
Totoo. And we're talking about the steals, diba? They already have 9. Randolph Lacio is not even playing.
Yeah.
Diba? The man of steel isn't even playing. Parang kumbaga, wala yung magaling mag-agaw ng bola dito. Kami din, kaya din namin. We're an entire team that can do that, diba? So, it just goes to show na threatening talaga tong Zamboanga ESA to the other teams, especially Pampanga Delta and yung Familia DC kasi yun yung mga kalaban nila. But itong NYBL Boss League, you can see na they just have to improve their free throws eh. With those free throw misses, they could have been in this ball game. Diba? Ang dami nun, 11 missed, 12 missed free throws. Tie games, down by 1 lang sana sila if they made all of them.
Tama. And kahit pa paano, hindi man lang lahat, siguro at least 80% of the free throws.
Yes.
It could have been a very close ball game again, but yung free throws talaga. Yun yung kailangan trabahuin itong NYBL.
Yes.
And remember, these are all, sabi na nga, again, all-stars in the NYBL, but this is a missing key factor for them, the free throws.
Yes. And is it possible, Coach, you've been a coach of multiple teams na you've joined even mga pro league teams. Possible kaya na para sa mga bata dito ng NYBL Boss League na medyo nasilaw ng konti sa ilaw. When I say that, like, nagulat sila na ganito pala yung level of competition dito. Nagulat sila na ganun yung expectations dahil ng international tournament. Kumbaga, the lights shine a little bit too bright for them in this first
Well, the right word for that, sabi mo nga, nasilaw sa sinag ng kompetisyon natin dito.
Mas maganda yun.
Yun, di ba?
Hindi naisip yun mas maganda yun.
Di ba?
Maganda pala yun.
Nasilaw sa sinag ng kompetisyon dito because, again, the fans are already coming in.
Yes.
And then, nakikita nila nandyan na si Familia DC na sumisilip-silip na. Si Pampanga Delta is also there.
Yung Pampanga Delta nga, sama-sama na gano'n. Nakita siguro nila, may skyscraper, diba? May hari. Kita nila. And of course, mamaya din, we have the Prince.
Yes.
Playing in the third game.
So, kita mo yung kanilang, siguro, it could be that yung confidence nila to start the ball game, kailangan na bumaba pa ng konti, na kailangan talagang trabahuin nila the next game nila tomorrow, kailangan nilang trabahuin na, okay, we need to start off on the right foot. Hindi pwede na mag-isa lang.
Yes. And actually, ang nakakatawa dito, 50% of the games dito sa SLA Junior World Showcase natin are international games, Coach Alvin, di ba? Makakatapat mo, 50% of the time is international teams,
yes.
di ba? The lowest percentage of team na may international competition is dito sa 23 under. We have 3 local teams, NYBL Boss League, Zamboanga ESA, and Pampanga Delta. And of course, the lone international team sa 23 under is Familia DC. But still, di ba, you are going to experience an international competition. Or kung hindi man, you're going to face off against UAAP and NCAA-bred players,
Yun.
diba?
And hindi lang yun eh. Kasi minsan, masusundan nilang laro. International yung mga naglalaban eh.
Totoo.
So, syempre kahit hindi mo ka-division yan, or ka-division, minsan maiisip mo, wait, parang ang bigat pala talaga nitong lalaroan natin competition, which is, ito yung nakikita nila ngayon, that you are playing against, sabihin natin Zamboanga yung kalaban mo, pero nakikita mo yung kalaban mamaya, yung pwedeng nagsascout sa inyo ngayon na sumisilip-silip lang dyan sa tabi, pero they already like saying that okay, medyo, ganito kabigat yung competition natin dito.
And some of these players, let's not forget, di ba? Some of these players sa Zamboanga ESA, naglalaro sa Cebu, sa Sisaki. Some of them naglalaro sa Mindanao, di ba, in their league doon. As bago muna natin tuloy ang usapan natin, Coach Alvin, let's give it over muna to Milka Jazz Raimundo for her report in the fourth quarter. Milka?
7 rebounds, not bad para sa kanyang role as center for his team. Talagang ginagawa niya assignment niya para makatulong sa koponan at manatili ang kalamangan. He also emphasized the word aggressiveness for the remaining minutes. They will be more dominant and tough on their defense. Now back to you, Enzo and Alvin.
7 rebounds na daw is enough, di ba? And those 7 rebounds, hindi na natin mabilang, Coach Alvin, ilan doon ang offensive. Lalo na simula, di ba? Ang dami niyang agad offensive rebounds eh.
Yes, oo. Kaya nga, talagang trabaho yung ginawa nitong
ni Galope.
Ni Galope.
Especially nung nawala si Abria, di ba? When Abria went out, siya na lang yung lone big man eh. Domingo, who's a natural 4, played the 5, di ba?
Yes, and Galope, pinag-uusapan na nga natin, offensive rebounds, 3 dun sa 7 sa kanya.
3 sa 7, di ba? Almost half of his rebounds, di ba? As itong sa panig naman ng NYBL again, they're facing some tough competition dito. But again, this is just day 1. A lot can happen. It's a single round robin tournament format, di ba?
Is it a possibility na siyempre, yan, kakadating lang nila dito sa Pampanga, galing sa biyahe, pasok agad, first game ka agad, di ba? So, is it somewhat like a possibility na pagod sila, di ba?
Yun din, kasi Zamboanga ESA, dumating kagabi.
Yes.
Kagabi, kahapon sila dumating.
Pero nakapagpahinga naman sila.
Nakapagpahinga sila.
They have hours to rest. Not like itong NYBL na dumating dito, ang oras ng pahinga nila, minuto lang.
Yes. Di pa nga ata minuto kasi pagdating nila dito, bihis agad. Tapos laro agad. We had a strict 9 a.m. tip-off time, di ba? So, you know, possible din yun. And panigurado dito na sila mag-sustain yan. They'll stay ready na. Look at that. Tic-tac-toe galing dito sa Zamboanga ESA. What passing. Even Coach Zaldi Realiza had to clap for that, di ba?
Yes, yung mga extra passes na ganyan, di ba? That is how much they know each other. And as what I said earlier sa ating pre-game and earlier in the first quarter, ang tanong dito is, will this NYBL Boss League squad, yung concern na all-stars ito, iba't ibang mga pinanggalingan teams, hindi naman sila talaga magkakampi. Will it be a problem for them? And it is now showing in this ball game na mahirap eh. And maybe just a day or a night of rest, makakukuha nun nila yan.
As we see the lakas play of the quarter brought to by J Project Clothing Shop. Tic-tac-toe galing dito sa Zamboanga ESA. And yun nga eh, di ba? Makatulog lang talaga kailangan, no, Coach Alvin.
Aside sa tulog, syempre, makapag-usap-usap sila.
Yes.
And doon ma-form yung band nila. This could be a possibility of also team building for their squad. Na nasa isang lugar sila dito ngayon, mag-usap-usap. Guys, ano yung kailangan natin trabahuin? Pare, kailangan natin itong ayusin. Ito, ganito, ganyan. A lot of things that they have to talk about later on pagdating nila doon sa kanilang tutuluyan.
That's right. As we're at the midway point of this fourth and final quarter, itong Zamboanga ESA with a 14-point lead. Nanghinayang. Doon ako natawa. Nanghinayang si Pampilo. Sabi niya, saan hindi ka na pumito? Rep, assist na. I love the reaction galing dito kay Pampilo, ha?
Pero bago muna natin to, I would like to take this opportunity rin na Enzo to send our deepest condolences to the family of Commissioner Chino Trinidad. Ang laki ng naipundar niyan sa basketball community. So, our deepest condolences to the family of Manolo Chino Trinidad.
Kaya nga, opening ko kanina eh. We love basketball with a passion. Of course, his famous line, diba, is I love basketball with a passion. Amongst all of the lines nag-panel siya, diba? He's a legendary, you know, sports analyst, a legendary sports writer, well-respected in our field. Anchor din, courtside reporter pa siya nagsimula sa PBA, diba?
Viva Vintage yan.
Yes.
Inaamin na natin po katandaan, matanda na po. Pero
I'm still young.
Hindi, ako ha. But again, I've seen that guy love sports. Yan yung sinasabi natin na talaga pagdating sa sports, mahal na mahal niya ang sports. So that guy will be sorely missed in the sporting industry.
And yeah, actually, well-rounded siya. Well-informed sa lahat ng liga. Even when Sinag Liga Asia started. he is aware that there's that league called Sinag Liga Asia, di ba? As a layup by Pampilo right there all the way to the basket. But yun nga, I mean, you know, he will be missed dito sa ating industriya, especially sa ating field of work dito in the sports world, not just in basketball, but the entire sports world, di ba?
Yes.
A legendary sports journalist.
Mapa-boxing, mapa-volleyball na nga rin, naaano na rin niya ngayon.
MMA nga rin, di ba?
Oo, MMA.
Lahat
Ang
na eh.
dami. And remember, he was the last commissioner of the Philippine Basketball League.
Which we have a lot of players sa Lakas 40 and sa
Yun.
Calibre 45 na nakapaglaro doon.
And even our head of basketball operations.
Coach Leo,
galing
naglaro
din
doon.
dyan.
Coach doon, naglaro tuloy.
For Blue Detergent.
Yes, Blue Detergent. There you go, good passing. Galing dito sa NYBL and that's something missing for them na Coach Alvin. Yung mga passes na yun. Masyado natin kasi nakita in the first 3 quarters yung isolation basketball. In that play, we saw a set play, good passing leading to a foul, di ba? Quality shot that becomes a foul. But yun nga lang, it's the free throws ang question mark sa kanila. But, you know, they can run, or they can run a couple of their plays in their next games, no? Maybe they could shock some teams.
Yes, oh, and it could be that, yun nga, sabi natin, kailangan lang nilang mag-band. I mean, and they use this next few hours of their rest here na dito sa Pampanga na mag-band sila.
Right.
They can roam around dito sa San Fernando. Di ba? Para lang maramdaman mo nila na, oh guys, oh, tayo magkakasama in the next few days. So we need to get along, kumbaga their basketball ego aside, you know? Yun yung nag-uusapan natin dyan.
And that's the whole point bakit dito ginanap sa Pampanga through me snooping and asking yung mga top officials natin, bakit Pampanga? Lahat ng international teams na dumayo dito from other leagues, it's always Manila-based ang venues nila. To give the international teams naman a different look, enjoy the province, we brought them dito sa ating bahay, sa Sinag, the home of Sinag Liga Asia, dito sa Pampanga. Para din ma-enjoy nila yung scenery dito. Ang daming mga magagandang probinsya dito, di ba? Madadaming magagandang cities and municipalities dito sa Pampanga. They get to enjoy. Of course, na way of saying thanks na rin sa mga kabalin. Of course, to Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, the beloved governor. Yun!
You know,
the return!
The returning!
She's back! Penelope Wilhelmina!
Yes!
Yung mga parte na... She did not even realize that she was on camera.
Yes, Penelope is back, di ba? Pero may inaantay pa rin ako, hindi pa rin pinapakita nila Direk Nomar, no?
Seryoso itsura, para nakatingin sa'yo. Lagot ka. Lagot ka. Parang alam niya, pinag-usapan na takot ni Alvin.
Pero, speaking aside, yes, Pampanga is really one of those provinces na very rich talaga on everything na pinag-uusapan natin. This is the culinary capital of the Philippines, di ba?
It was declared, widely renowned, di ba? But as a basketball capital of the Philippines.
Isa rin, oo. Oo. Basketball capital of Luzon kasi sa Visayas.
Cebu, may magagalit ang mga Cebuano.
Oo, syempre. Pero Luzon, may na natin Luzon.
As we take a look at this Lakas move of the quarter brought by Cabling and Holdings Corporation again. Did you see that play? A give-and-go play, Coach Alvin, di ba? If they could have run that a couple of quarters ago, di ba? This would have been a totally different game. But again, like we said nga, possible din kasi na, yun nga bumiyahe pa sila. Compared to Zamboanga that already had a 24-hour stay dito sa Pampanga. Or pwede din, yun nga, they're an all-star team of the NYBL. Itong NYBL Boss League team. Sa team nila, ibang role nila. Dito, iba din ang role nila.
Oo, may iba na masabi natin. Other players on the bench could be like main players sa kanila.
Yes.
Kaya ang problema, may mga kaposisyon sila na same din yung nilalaro. So, it's really how the coaching system will be run here for NYBL Boss League.
Which is why, importante yan for these young players. Kasi di ba, when you play at the high leagues, the UAAP, the NCAA, and the PBA, once you get there, lahat kayo star.
Yun.
Lahat na kayo star player. Di ba? I mean, we just concluded the recent PBA draft and we saw how many stars were there.
Oo.
Di ba? And pagpasok nila, magkakasabay din sila with their former teammates who are already established stars in the PBA level, di ba? So, di ba, for them, if they want to make it to the next level, that's what they're going to learn. Na hindi palagi ikaw yung standout. There's gonna be one player above you at all times. Yun yung wise words galing sa ating CEO na si Coach Leo. Merong player na mas aangat sa'yo sa kahit anong level.
Dito pa lang sa atin sa Sinag Liga Asia. One player right now, Renzo Competente, who played for Hustle Rising Suns.
The champions.
Right now, playing for Adamson.
Yes.
So, kita mo umaangat na yung mga laro nila doon.
Ba't pa tayo lalayo? Makabebe, Pampanga Zone.
Yes.
Junel Policarpio.
Yes. Right now in the PBA.
Si NLEX Road Warriors.
Warriors. Bakit pa naman tayo lalayo? Bakit hindi natin sabihin the number 1 pick in the draft, Justin Malky Baltazar.
Who may or may not, mga kasinag, may or may not be at the bench ng Apalit I Love It later on, together with Pampanga Giant Lanterns own Encho Serrano. Encho's a pride of Apalit, di ba? Baltis from Mabalacan, as you can see. Of course, Sir Esa Hambali, the owner of Zamboanga Esa. So, by the way, I think si Boss Esa last week celebrated his birthday. Belated happy birthday po, Boss Esa.
Yes, oo. And take note, ha? At tangible, pinag-uusapan natin. 29 puntos na. Kelvin Tangelo.
He's on the floor. Can he get 30?
That's the question.
Diba? 2 minutes and 16. 29 na. Diba?
Yes.
With the way he's scoring. Di malabo, no, Coach Alvin? Eh.
Oo. At dyan na lumabas yung masabi natin na ito nga Zamboanga, yes, Tangilol scored 29 points. But the question stands, paano kung ang komponan ng boss, NYBL Boss League, gumana yung opensa nila all throughout this ballgame?
Totoo.
Will it be a different Zamboanga squad? Will we ever be talking about Kelvin Tangilol, di ba?
Yes, sir. Let's give a shout out, Boss Michael Hernane. Nanonood sa USA, di ba? And there you go. That's what we're talking about. Hindi na local players lang or local fan base ang kinikater natin. We are now being watched all over the world, di ba? We're now being watched in the US and bukas, Dubai. Diba? Last Shot Dubai will debut, di ba?
Take note, right now, it's already 10:52 p.m. in the United States.
10:52 p.m. sa US.
Yes, syempre. Pero minsan, pag sinabi mong basketball sa mundo sa Pilipinas, walang oras-oras yan. Tayo nga, pag naglalaro ang Gilas, madaling araw, bising tayo. Alaw na madaling araw.
Totoo. And kahit minsan sa NBA, di ba? Yung mga playoff games na alas 3 ng madaling araw dito sa Pinas. I mean, this is why. I mean, again, in dedication to Commissioner Chino Trinidad, di ba? We love basketball with a passion. All of us do. Di ba? That's the perfect encapsulation or idea for us Filipinos. We are very passionate about basketball. 30 team nga tayo dito sa ating tournament eh. And then may mga teams, according to Boss Ray Alaw and Sir Rocky Chan, meron na nga mga nag-inquire pa rin daw eh.
Ang mga gusto pang
humabol. Pero dahil puno na, hindi na kinahaya.
Punong-puno na tayo talaga. Umaga, puno na ang bangka.
Oo. Puno na, di ba? And that's why we are committed, di ba? All of us are committed dito sa Sinag Liga Asia in, you know, making this thing grow. I'm not just talking about the league itself, but this program for international waters, di ba? Na hindi lang dito nagtatapos ang ating Junior World Showcase. Narinig naman na po ata ng mga kasinag natin eh. Or, I don't want to be the one, but meron ding something in store for the mga kasinag natin in Mindanao, di ba? So,
pero isipin natin, Season 1 pa lang to.
Exactly.
Ng SLA Junior World Showcase. 30 teams. And sabi mo nga kanina, Enzo, a lot of teams kumakatok pa sa pintuan. Antayin nyo, kapag nagdating na Season 2, it will be a bigger and a much exciting SLA Junior World Showcase Delta Cup.
Totoo. And yun nga this is a showcase, diba? We want to watch the world play. Give the kids a chance, diba? It's not a tournament. We didn't call it a tournament. We could have easily called it a tournament. We could have easily called it a challenge, diba? Pero we called it a showcase because that's what we want to do. Showcase yung mga kabataan dito. Kasi,
actually, pag pinag-usapan natin, hindi na kabataan, hindi na natin sinasabing kids dapat. These are young ballers.
Yes.
Na talagang gustong mag-showcase ng kanilang talento
Yes.
for their respective, para masabing taga Zamboanga ako, taga NYBL ako, taga Pampanga ako, taga Washington DC ako.
Taga Canada ako, taga Dubai. Diba? That's the whole point of this World
At
Showcase.
syempre,
And of course,
mamaya, taga-apalit ako.
yes! That's a good fast break there for the NYBL Boss League. But of course, let's also give a shout out to our East Coast director, Coach Eric Quintana, who his team is going to play next game, ang Familia DC.
And I know you are excited for that.
Very much. We're gonna see the best Sinag Liga Asia local team has to offer versus the best the United States has to offer sa 23 outdoors. And we are 42.6 seconds away from that. But again, hats off to Zamboanga ESA. Nung second quarter, they kind of slipped away. Nadulas ng konti. Nag-tone down yung energy nila. And they sort of had a problem with Abria kanina being ejected, diba? But we saw them. Pinakita nila ang tunay na dugo ng mga taga Mindanao. They represented that region very well. But for NYBL, Boss League, this is just game number 1. You have 2 more games. Yes, in a tournament format like that, single round robin, apat na kayong team. Must win talaga. But, malaking learning curve to for them. Now that they know what they need to do. Kumbaga, tanggal ka ba na yung next game eh. Kumbaga ito, napagpag mo na yung kaba eh.
But again, ito for NYBL, Boss League, kailangan hindi na mangyari sa kanilang nangyari ng third quarter.
Yes.
Because it was very close in the first and the second quarter. But that third quarter was the key difference here. 10 points ang lamang nila doon. 19-9.
Yes.
Ang laking bagay nun.
That's right. Ito, we're just waiting for the final score here. Also, crucial din for Zamboanga ESA. That's why they didn't just dribble it out. Kasi pag nagkaroon ng 3-way tie, there's a chance for a quotient system tayo pupunta, diba? Yun nga po mga kasinag, Zamboanga ESA are on their way to claiming their first victory dito sa Junior World Showcase Delta Cup 23 Under Tournament. As of now, they're at the top of the standings with 1-0 dito. What a ball game para sa mga players ni Coach Saldi Realiza.
Yes, panimulang laro. This will be, kumbaga sabi nga natin, appetizer of all the games that will happen today. Excited tayo lahat for all our games.
Totoo. And siyempre, congratulations to Zamboanga ESA, ang representatives natin in the Mindanao region, winning this game by 13.68 to 55 kontra dito sa NYBL Boss League. And now let's turn it over to MJ Raimundo for our CDO Best Player of the Game. MJ?
Our Junior World Showcase Delta Cup Best Player of the Game from Zamboanga ESA, Kelvin Tangilul. First of all, congratulations sa iyo at sa team mo. Ano ba yung naging reason para sa malaking contribution mo dito sa team?
Una-una sa lahat, pasalamat ako kay Ala, sa teammates ko, ka coach, Sir Isa. At
ano yung naging reason para ito yung maging malaking contribution mo sa team?
Sinusunod lang namin yung mga sinasabi ni coach, depensa, una-una sa lahat, depensa namin, at saka ang ballman, teammates namin para masunod namin yung mga sinasabi ni coach.
Meron ka pa bang gustong i-add para batian at pasalamatan?
Salamat ako ka Sir Risa. Kung hindi sa kanya, hindi kami makapunta dito. Sir, maraming salamat. Coach Saldi, Coach Ryan, teammates ko, at kuya ko dyan, si Dingnasa. At saka mama at papa ko, mga kapatid ko, sa Engineer Iman Millanes, sa Rambo Uligario, sa Duk Mali Asim. Thank you po.
Once again, that is Kelvin Tangilul of Zamboanga ESA. Now back to you, Alvin and Enzo.
Thank you so much, MJ. And congratulations again to Kelvin Tangilul, our Junior World Showcase Delta Cup Best Player of the Game. Mahihain talaga eh. Namiss ko yung mga ganyang mga players na mahihain eh. Pero, Coach Alvin, your final thoughts of this ball game natin?
Yes, Again, Zamboanga played a good start in that third quarter, kaya nga nalayuan na nila itong NYBL Boss League. But again, for NYBL Boss League, all they have to do is rest, take that chance to bond, and tomorrow is another day for them.
Yes, as yun na nga po, 1-0 na po ang Zamboanga ESA sa ating team standings dito sa ating Junior World Showcase Delta Cup 23 under tournament. Mga kasinag, susunod na game po, it's another 23 under spectacular. The best the Philippines has to offer. Pampanga Delta kontra Washington's finest, ang Pamilya DC. Susunod na po yan, but that ends our first game for the Junior World Showcase Delta Cup. Ako po si Enzo Galarosa, and on behalf of Coach Alvin Tanyada, MJ Raimundo, and Direk Nomar Santiago, and the rest of the hard-working men and women, this has been your SLA Junior World Showcase Delta Cup. Kita-kits po mga kasinag. Peace!